Today we'll be solving linear equation word problems. Part 1, we'll be dealing with ratio-based questions in linear equations. Now the key steps to solve word problems. Number 1, read the question line by line carefully. Number 2, fix the variable for a parameter. It depends on the question and you have to decide which variable should be or which parameter should be set to x, y or z. Number 3, use the mathematical operations, addition, multiplication, subtraction or division to make an equation with the variable taken. So you read the question carefully, look for the condition given, whether it's an increase, a decrease or it's a product that's been taken, based on which you use the proper operation and complete the equation. Question 1. Two numbers are in the ratio 1:11 and their sum is 15. Find the numbers. Now when you have ratio given here, like 1:11 is the ratio in which the number is divided, you can start with assuming let the numbers be 1x and 11x. So this is where you start. The two numbers, let the two numbers be 1x and 11x. We made it from this ratio, and now moving on to the second part, and their sum is 15. So find the numbers. Sum, we know it's addition, and the sum of the two numbers, so 1x plus 11x is going to be 15. So your equation is ready, which says 12x is going to be 15 and x is 15 over 12, or you can simplify it as 5 over 4, which is 1.25. We have found x, which is one of the numbers, as 1.25. So the other number, which is 11 times x, is going to be 11 multiplied by 1.25, which is 13.75. Another method is that you know the sum as 1x plus 11x is 15. So even if you just subtract, say from 15, if you subtract the value for x is 1.25, you get 13.75 because you have the sum given to you as 15. So you have the two numbers 1.25 and 13.75. So you have your answers, the two numbers. Moving on to the next question. Question 2. The three angles in a triangle are in the ratio 1:3:5. Find them. I'll be discussing two methods here. So method 1 is similar to the previous question. The three angles are in the ratio 1:3:5. So we'll consider the angles as, let the angles be 1x, 3x and 5x. We have the ratio of the angles as 1:3:5. So we take the angles as 1x, 3x and 5x. Now using the angle sum property in a triangle, the sum of all the three angles should give you 180. So 180 degree is the sum of all the three angles. So I'll be taking 1x plus 3x plus 5x is going to be equal to 180 degree. which means a total of 9x. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9, so 9x is going to be 180 degree, which says x is equal to 180 over 9, giving me a 20 degree. I have found my first angle here. So my first angle, x is going to be 20 degree. The second angle is 3 times x, which is 3 times 20, giving me 60 degree. And the third angle is 5 times x, which is 5 times 20, giving me 100 degree. And you can see from your answer that it is 20 plus 60 plus 100, giving me a 180. This is method 1. I'll show you method 2. Let me draw a line here. Method 2. From the ratio, now the total parts you have 1 is to 3 is to 5. So the total parts is 9. 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5, giving me 9. So 1 over 9 is equal to x over 180. So your first angle is 1 over 9, which is equal to x over 180. So what is x from here? X is going to be 1 over 9 times 180, giving you 20. For the second angle, 3 over 9 is equal to y over 180. So y is nothing but 3 over 9 multiplied by 180. It's just simple cross multiplication. So you get it as 60. And for the third angle, let it be z. So 5 over 9 is equal to z over 180. So again, cross multiply. Z is going to be 5 over 9 times 180, giving me 100 degree, which is the same answer as you get in the previous method.